This video will demonstrate the satellite changes and reverse sync functions of IQ. First of all, I want to go to Auto Contacts, and for the controller that I'm currently dealing with, we can set up automatic contacts and in the automatic retrieve logs. If I want it to look for changes that field personnel may be making at satellites, in addition to the normal time when I'm going to retrieve log data at the end of the irrigation, usually in the morning, I can also put in an afternoon. Let's say my field personnel are away from the site at say by 4 p.m. I can put a 4 p.m. Retrieve log time in here for it to automatically go out and look for those changes that the field people may have made. So if I go down to the system status, you'll see that there's an icon down here that says satellite changes since sync, and there's a number 1, and the icon is colored. So if I click on that, it's telling me that the Adelines Farm Park controller has satellite changes I need to review. So if I click on that, and then I click on the display satellite changes since sync button, it's going to show me basically the differences. So one of the differences it's showing me here is that someone in the field changed the program adjust percentage, the seasonal adjust, basically from 100% to 90%. Now I have the ability to do one of several things. One, ignore the change. IQ will take this change, or IQ will overwrite this change if we don't do anything tonight at its normal automatic synchronized time. I could call the person and ask specifically what change they wanted to make and talk to them and make a change based on what how the conversation went. Or I could do what's called reverse sync and accept this change as my new programming in IQ. Let's go ahead and show you how to do that. So I'm going to close these screens. I'm going to go to manual operations for this controller, and I'm going to connect. And while it's connecting, let's talk briefly about the difference between synchronize and reverse sync. Synchronize is taking changes that you've made in IQ software and pushing it down to the satellite controller. Reverse sync is just the opposite. Changes made at the controller will be pulled back, and those changes will become the new IQ programming. So we'll pick either the reverse synchronize button at the bottom of the page. Let's go ahead and do that, and we can pick any of the options here: configuration, program, or learn flow. What was changed actually was program, so I'm going to go ahead and hit yes, I do want to proceed, and it's going to retrieve all of the programming and configuration from that controller and replace what's in IQ with that information. This is helpful when you first bring a satellite online that's had programming in the field. You can do this, or again, if changes have been made in the field and you want that to override the IQ information. If you are using ET adjusted programs, weather source ET adjusted programs, it's going to prevent you from retrieving program information from the satellite, but other than that, you can do any of these functions.